Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'll show you how to make this beautiful bird painting with alcohol ink. If this is your first time visiting, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification. So whenever I post new videos, you'll be the first one to get notified. And these are some safety tips on alcohol ink art. Please make sure to read this, pause and read the whole thing because it has to be followed while making this painting. So let's get started. I'm using this ultra premium photo paper from Staples brand, and this is a high gloss variety. And you could also make this painting in Yupo or Nara or any other synthetic paper also. It doesn't matter actually. But when you're making on photo paper, make sure to make the painting on the back side of the paper because that is where the alcohol ink flows nicely. And to blend the alcohol ink, I usually use this 91% isopropyl alcohol, which I'll show you in a bit. So this is the 91% isopropyl alcohol, which I get from pharmacy store or any other store. This is the solution I use to blend, and I put it in a small bottle with a nozzle, so it's easy to pour. And I also use another tool, that is the air puffer tool, which you get from Amazon. You can search for duster or something like that. And first I did an outline of a bird with fine markers. Just to get an idea, I did the outline, and this is the color magenta that I'm using, and this is pitch black. I mix magenta and pitch black to make dark violet kind of color, and I use wax paper. I roll it and I use that as a brush to apply the color. But you could also use brush, but I didn't want to wash the brush, so this is easy. I can just throw away the paper once the painting is done. So this is the nice hack that you can follow if you like. And I mix the magenta and pitch black and I add some lines. This is all abstract painting, so you can use your imagination and use any colors that you like or any other like strokes. It depends on what bird you are drawing. So randomly apply like that, and let us add another color, teal. So this is the next color I'll be using. This the teal color. I'll be doing the same way. I dip a piece of paper and then I apply the teal color. And I usually make abstract painting because that way, even if I make any mistakes, it's abstract, right? So there's no such a rule or anything to follow. So apply the teal color like that. You can apply in the direction of the feathers of the bird. And I also like to make watercolor paintings also. And the next color I'll be using is botanical green. So I dip that and I use the same technique to add botanical green. And I like to make paintings without any much tools or anything. So whatever is easily available, I make use of that. So as you can see, this whole painting, I didn't use any specific or special tools like airbrush or anything like that. Just I'll be using in a while air puffer, which is very cheap in Amazon. You can get it for about $2 to $3 or something. I'll show you how to use that after the coloring is done. So I apply the greens in some part of the bird. And after that, I'll be adding another color called blue or glacier. That is the name of the color I'll be using, glacier. And I let this layer dry for a little bit, and then I'm using this isopropyl alcohol, and then I apply isopropyl alcohol in some of the colors to blend it. So when you apply the isopropyl alcohol, as you can see, the colors start blending and you get this nice and lovely abstract effect. And I'm using this Cali art markers, which are alcohol based markers. So the advantage of using it is that when you apply this color and add isopropyl alcohol, you can easily blend it like just like this alcohol inks. That is the advantage. But in case if you don't have these markers, that is also okay. You can just add some alcohol ink and do the same thing, or use any other markers to add fine lines like outline and other things. You can use other markers also, like acrylic marker or watercolor marker or anything. Just because you don't have this, you don't have to stop making the paintings.